Look at this photo. The crowd has been waiting for their favorite pop stars to come out, and they finally have. The people at the front of the crowd, near the stage, will notice their idols appearing on the stage before the people behind them. As the people near the stage see the stars going up, they will start shouting and moving about with excitement. What effect will this movement have on the people nearby? What will happen eventually to the people further away from the stage? In what ways is the situation in the previous image similar to heat energy traveling through a solid? In what ways is it different? Now a large group of 2- and 3-year-old children is let into the crowd from the stage, with the promise that if they can make it to the other side, they will get a giant ice cream. Look at how the situation could develop and explain why the children can move within the crowd so easily. What effect will the children bumping into people in the crowd have on individual people? What will the effect on the overall movement of the crowd be? In what ways is the situation in the previous image similar to heat energy traveling through a metal? In what ways is it different? These analogies are by no means accurate, but they might help you visualize what really happens inside a metal carrying heat energy. Can you think about how you could improve this simple animation to make it more realistic? What would you add? What would you change?